Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Hare.
Very good. Thank you, Balavrinda. Thank you, Balavrinda. Mataji, can you please make me co-host? I can share my.
Sorry, I forgot today.
No problem.
Yes, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. So, Hare Krishna. We are done with the prayers. Nice to see you all. I see some new faces.
Yeah.
So nice to see you. Can you introduce, please, your name?
My name is Shri Adrit.
Shri Adrit. Right? Is that how
Right.
you say? Hare Krishna, Shri Adrit. Nice to have you. Where are you from?
I'm from Arizona.
Okay. Nice to have you. Who else is new? I see. Yes. Can you say your name?
My name is Mahir.
Mahir. Okay. Hare Krishna, Mahir. Nice to have you. You are from?
Hare Krishna Mataji. This is Kavya.
Hare Krishna, Kavya. Yes, Mahir.
So I am from San Diego.
Okay. Nice to have you. I see one more new face. Can you say your name? I don't see the name mentioned there. Can someone read the name for him? I don't know what is the name.
Which one? Yeah, which one? Can you like spotlight him or something?
Let me spotlight him.
Oh, Mataji, are you talking about
Yes.
Riyadh?
Can you see?
His name is Krishna.
Okay, no problem. Let's otherwise move. Okay, no problem. We'll move to our session. So nice to have you all. Many new faces. Okay. So Bhagavad Gita 10.32. Do you all remember this? I think we have some new members. So do they already know, or shall I say and then you all will repeat? Will that work?
Yeah, Mataji.
Okay. So please repeat. Sarganam adirantascha. Sarganam adirantascha. Madhyam chaivaham Arjuna. Madhyam chaivaham Arjuna. Adhyatma vidya vidyanam. Adhyatma vidya vidyanam. Vadah pravadatam aham. Vadah pravadatam aham. Very good. Everyone got it?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. So who all want to say the verse?
Mataji,
Is there anyone?
to say?
Yes. You all can raise your hands. Do you all know the feature of raising hand? Everyone knows that, right? There is a feature, raise hand. You can click on that. I see all the names and then I will call out your name one by one. Okay? So Tulsi, Mukund, Ramachandra and Balram, can you four go ahead?
Okay. Yes, Mataji.
Very good.
Thank you,
All of you are clear with it. Very good. You all 4 of you know
Thank
this,
you,
right? Yeah, I think you all.
Mataji, can Krishna Naina say?
Krishna, yes, you can raise your hand there. Those who want to say, please raise your hands. Okay, now we have Krishna, Kavya, Abhishek, Krishna Naina. 4 of you, can you go ahead?
Thank you,
Arjuna Adhyatma Vidya Jnanam Vada Prabhadatamaham. Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you.
Mataji.
Thank you. Abhishek, did you say?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, very good, very good.
Thank you, Mataji.
Anyone else wants to say? How, I think, okay, how about Charanamrit, Rishikesh, Karthik, Moksha? Can you all 4 read, say the verse? Charanamrit, Rishikesh, Karthik, and Moksha.
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, Hare Krishna, I'm just gonna listen.
Okay, okay, no problem. You cannot say? Oh, yeah. Okay.
I'll say after some time.
Okay, sure, sure. No problem, Janani. Yeah. So then Karthik, Moksha, who else I said the name? Rishikesh. And Ojasvi. Can you?
Okay, Mataji.
Yes. Suraj, can you also say? Suraj?
Mataji.
Go ahead.
Sardana Madhirantasya Adhyan Arjuna Adhyatma Vidyanam Vada Prabhadatamaham.
Very good. Who did not get a chance? Ramachandra, did you say?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Mahir, did you say? No, I think, right? Are you comfortable in saying the verse? Mahir? Is Mahir there? Do you want to say the verse, Mahir?
Yeah.
And who is new today? Shri Adrit. Do you both want to say the verse? Do you want to try? Yes. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'll try.
Yes, go ahead.
Me too.
Yes, both of you together. 3, 2, 1.
So can I repeat after you?
Okay, yeah, there you can do that. So you both can repeat. Sarganam adirantascha.
Saratnana antaskya.
Yes. Are you saying it, Shri Adrit? Mokshit, okay, I think Mokshit and Kartik are there, okay. Madhyam chaiva hamarjuna.
Madhyayam Shaivaham Arjuna.
Very good. Adhyatma vidya vidyanam.
Dhyama Vidya Vidyanam.
Vadah pravadatam aham.
Vada Pravadatam Aham.
Pravadatam
Pravadatam
aham.
Aham.
Very good. So who did not get a chance? I think Kartik has raised hand. Ramachandra, did you say? I forgot whether you said that. Okay. Mokshit, did you say? Okay, Bala. Thank you, Balarilla. Very nice. So Karthik and Mokshit, you go ahead. Whoever did not get a chance who wants to say, please go ahead with them. Very good.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. So let's move to the next one. Okay, who wants to read translation? Charanamrit, you want to read the translation? Okay, is that Aditya?
Yes,
Or is
Mataji.
Varun?
Oh, sorry,
Or is
Mataji.
Varun?
Okay. What did you say? What did you say?
Do you want to read the translation?
I don't know the translation.
It's there here. Do you want to read it for us?
Not really.
Okay, no problem. Aditya, do you want to read the translation?
Okay, Mataji.
Please go
Of
ahead.
all the creators, I'm beginning and end, and also the middle, O Arjuna. Of all sciences, I'm the spiritual science of the self, and among logicians, I'm the conclusive truth.
Okay, thank you, Aditya. So we'll move to the 1033. So those who are new, do you know what is this series of verses going on? This is Arjuna, Krishna is explaining about how he is at the best of the position amongst all. So he's saying here, I'm the beginning, I'm the end, and I'm also in the middle. I'm also the middle. Of all sciences, I'm the spiritual science of the self. And among logicians, I'm the conclusive truth. Okay. So we'll move to 1033. Please repeat. Aksharanam akarosmi.
Aksharaha akorasma.
Aksharanam akarosmi.
Aksharaha akarasmi.
Dvandva samasikasya cha. Dvandva samasikasya cha. Aham evakshaya kalo. Aham evakshaya kalo. Ataham vishvato mukha. Ataham vishvato mukha. Everyone got this one? Any difficulty anyone has?
No, Mataji.
Okay, I think your name I can see now. That is Krishna. You are also new, Krishna? You joined newly? I see you first time.
Yeah, I joined first time.
Nice to have you. Thank you for joining. Okay.
Well,
Oh, you all raise hands.
Mataji, it's his second time.
Okay, okay. Yeah, first time when I am joining, right? Yes. So Balram, Karthik, Shriyadrit, Krishna, go ahead and say the verse. Okay, very good. Karthik, I think you did not say. Did you say Karthik? Okay, now you say along. Karthik, one second, Karthik. You say along with Kavya, Ramachandra, Mukund, and Krishna Naina. Or with all of them, you say. Go ahead.
Svatomukhah.
Very good.
Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Now Akshita, Abhishek, and Tulsi Manjari. Can you go ahead?
Thank you.
Yes, Mataji. Ahamevakshaya kalo dataham vishvatomukha. Thank you, Mataji.
You, Balavrinda, do you want to go with some? Who wants to say with Balavrinda? Maybe Ojasvi, Moksha, Rishikesh. Do you want to say along with her? Please go ahead.
Aksharanam karodmi Vandvanam Samakashya Kalo Nadam Vishwatomukha.
Very good. Anyone else wants to say this verse? Okay, very good. Did anyone else wants to say this verse? Suraj, Mokshit, Moksha, Rishikesh, Aditya, whoever did not say. Yes? Mahir. Okay, then we'll move to the next one. 1034. Please repeat. Mrityu sarva haraschaham. Mrityu sarva haraschaham. Udbhavascha bhavishyatam. Udbhavascha bhavishyatam. Kirti Shrirvaksha Narinam. Kirti
Narinam.
Kirti Shrirvaksha Narinam. Krutir Medha Dhriti Kshama. Krutir Medha Dhriti Kshama. Everyone got this one?
Yes, Mataji.
Even new ones? Okay, so you all have raised hands already. Okay. Balavrinda, Balram, Karthik, Shri, Adrit, go ahead. 4 of you.
Mrityu Sarvaharis Shaham
Balavrinda, go ahead.
Abrava Idbhavascha Bhavischa Tam Kirti Vaka
Shrirvakcha
Niran
Narinam.
Narenam Smrti
Medha
Meda Drit
Dhriti Kshama.
Ritik Shama.
Very good, Shri Adit. You're trying very nice. Yes, Balavrinda. 1 second. So, Shri Adit, slowly every day you're going to recite these verses, right? Slowly you will be able to sing it faster. You're trying very well. Thank you, Shri Adit. Balavrinda, Karthik, Kavya, Ramachandra, Mukund. Go ahead.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Smrti
Kritir Medha
Meda Deter Sama.
Dhriti Kshama. Got it, Kavya?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, who was trying now in the end? Was it Kavya or someone else?
It was someone else.
I think it
It's
was
me.
Mahir. It's me.
Okay.
Mahir.
Okay, Mahir. Very nice. You are also trying very nicely, Mahir. Good job. So Akshita, Tulsi, Manjari, Abhishek, go ahead.
मृत्यु सर्वहरश्चाहं
मृत्यु
भविष्यताम् उद्दिष्टिवाचनारिणां स्मृतिर्मेधाति क्षमा
Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Anyone else wants to say?
Mataji, can I say the sloka and translation?
Okay, go ahead, Krishna.
Mrityu
Anyone
sarvasa
wants to say, please say with her.
Udbhavashta bhavishyatam kriti sarsti vakchararinam smritirmeda dhritika.
Very good.
Can I say the translation?
Go ahead, go ahead.
I'm all to death, and I am the generating principle of all that is yet to be. Among women, I am fame, fortune, fine speech, memory, intelligence,
Steadfastness.
and patience. Thank
Patience.
you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. So I would just move to the quality to because already we spent some time on that. So how many qualities we completed so far?
46.
Yes, wonderful, right? 46 we completed. Today we are going to learn about the 47th
worshipable.
quality. What is the name?
All worshipable.
Worshipable.
Very good.
All worshipable.
Okay, let me just lower all the hands. Like we can see here, right? What is meant by all worshipable? Can someone read these lines? Who did not say anything so far? Can someone who did not say anything so far? Prahlad, can you read? Can you please read?
A person who's respected and worshipped by all kinds of human beings and demigods is called Sarvadiyar or all worshipable.
Yes, person who is respected and worshipped by all kinds of human beings. And also, who? What is mentioned here?
Worshipped by all
Demigods.
demigods.
Demigods is called Sarvaradhya. That is the Sanskrit name. And what does it mean? All worshipable. So like we all know, whenever demigods, they have some problems or they are in trouble, whom they approach all the time.
Vishnu.
So this shows how he's worshipable. Krishna is worshipable even by demigods, right? And that's why many times we get to hear this, right? We are asked this question: why only Krishna? We don't see any other demigod in your temple. That's what they ask. So who can say this? Why only Krishna? Yes,
Krishna
Mukund.
is the,
Who is Krishna? Why do we worship only Krishna?
We only worship Krishna because Krishna is like the stomach of the whole body.
Yeah, very nice.
And if the stomach gets the if the stomach gets the food, which is our worship, then the whole body will get it. So if we worship Krishna, then all the devatas will also get it.
Get worship, yes. When we worship Krishna directly, it includes all the demigods. Like,
and also Krishna is the one who created demigods.
yes, he's the origin, right? He created everything, including demigods. So when we worship Krishna, we are worshipping all of them. But some don't know that, right? So by Srila Prabhupada's mercy, we know who is Krishna and why we should worship Krishna. And so all of them get worshipped, right? And that's how we have this opulent worship also, right? Like they are dressed very beautifully. Why do we do that? Because Krishna is origin. He has created everything, right? So we are just offering it back to him, whatever he has created. He has created flowers. We are just offering the flowers to Krishna. What else we offer in this opulent worship?
Boga Arti.
Yes, food, in Aarti what all? Incense stick, and we also offer this beautiful clothing. Like whatever Krishna has given to us, he has provided. We are worshipping back. We are offering it back to Krishna. Okay, that's how we have all this opulent worship of Krishna. So there is one verse in Bhagavad Gita. Can you all repeat this one? I will say, please repeat. Sataya Shraddhaya Yuktas
Sattaya Shraddhaya Yuktas.
Tasya Radhanam Ihate
Tasya Radhaniyate.
Labhate cha tatah kaman
Labhate cha tatakaman.
Ayyeva vihitan hitan. Who wants to read the translation?
Mataji, can Prahlad read?
Okay, Prahlad, shall we give it to someone who did not say anything so far? Shreyash, can you read, Shreyash?
Yes, Mataji. Endowed with such a faith, he endeavors to worship a particular demigod and obtains his desire. But in actuality, these benefits are bestowed by me alone.
Yes, so what does it mean here? Demigods, although they worship demigods, they cannot award these benedictions to people without whose permission? Whose permission they need?
Krishna's permission.
Krishna's permission, yes. But some people, they don't know that this is the property of the Supreme Lord. Even I did not know before coming to ISKCON that this all belongs to Krishna. This is Krishna's property. And whatever I'm taking, it's like I'm stealing it, right? I'm using it for myself. This is actually all Krishna's. But demigods don't forget that. They are always in the mood of service. They are in the servitorship to Krishna. So the worship of demigods and achievement of desired results are not due to the demigods, but to the Supreme Personality of Godhead by his arrangement. The less intelligent living entity does not know this. Therefore, he foolishly goes to the demigods for some benefit. But the pure devotee, when in need of something, prays to only Supreme Lord. Asking for material benefit, however, is not a sign of a pure devotee. So Prabhupada has mentioned so beautifully all this. So we know why we should worship Krishna, why Krishna is all worshipable. Okay, and here Rupa Goswami has also given one example that Krishna is worshipped not only by the living entities, including the great demigods like Lord Shiva and Brahma, but also by Vishnu expansions, forms of Godhead, such as Baladev and Shesha. Baladev is who? He's the direct expansion of Krishna. And he still accepts Krishna as worshipable. First expansion is Balaram, right? Balaram comes from right side.
Yeah.
Yes. And then he also accepts Krishna as worshipable. When Krishna appeared in the arena of the Rajasuya sacrifice, there was Rajasuya Yagya when Yudhishthir was announced as the king. So there, that time, including great sages and demigods, when Krishna became the cynosure, I don't know what is this, the center of attraction, and everyone offered him respects. And he was also chosen as the first worship, Agra Puja. So you can see how he was worshipped by all these great sages and demigods here at the time of Rajasuya Yagya. It shows how Krishna is all worshipable. And even Lord Shiva, how he was eager to see Krishna. Who all know this story?
I know the story, Mataji.
Yes. I will just tell you all
I
in
know the story,
short.
I don't know this.
Yeah, Mataji, I've heard of the story
Anyway,
many times.
there are some who know, there are some who don't know. So I'm going to say for those who don't know. So Lord Shiva actually, when he,
Story.
you know it, Moksha?
I know this story.
Okay, I will say it in short for those who don't know. So this Lord Shiva, he was in the meditation and he discovered that now Lord Krishna has appeared in Braja. So on the 12th day, Krishna was still a baby. On the 12th day, Shiva decided that he will go to Gokul and see Krishna. So Parvati wanted to go, but Shiva said that it's a long journey, so you be here. Then she says that, okay, but I know that the butter is very nice there. So can you get me butter when you come back? So he agrees. Then he actually decides to go in disguise as a Brahmana, but as soon as he touches the dust of Raja, what happens? He realizes that he should not change his form because Krishna will know him anyway, right? He's the supreme, he knows everything. So even if he disguises as a Brahmana, Krishna will get to know. So he decides that, okay, I should go in my actual form only. And that is the glory of Rajadham, dust of the Rajadham, that it gives you perfect realization for a pure devotee. So he goes in the natural form. And how is his natural form? He has this long hair,
Ashley, the
ashes,
snake, and he has
has
the
wig around his neck.
sign.
Yes, and he looks a little bit scary,
Yeah.
right? Especially for the babies. So he goes to the door of Krishna and he says, Bhiksham Dehi. He's asking for the alms. And then Mother Yashoda comes there and she's telling him, okay, wait outside, I'll bring you some gift. Lord Shiva says, no, no, I don't want any gift. I want to see your son. Then Mother Yashoda, she's little hesitant because he's looking little scary and my baby will get scared. So she says, please take them, and she gives her something to him, and he says, I see you are hungry and in need of clothing. You wait here, I'll bring you some nice prasad and clothes. Take that and please leave. Lord Shiva he does not agree. He says, no, I have everything. Even my wife is Annapurna. Who is his wife? Parvati. So
Parvati.
yes, I have left her and I have come here to see your son. So please allow me. Then Lord Shiva, yeah, he's literally pleading, but Mother Yashoda says, okay, take what I give you, and you go before your snakes come out from your body. And then Lord Shiva gets to know that Mother Yashoda is so stubborn, so he says that I will not go until I see your son. Mother Yashoda says, you can sit here as long as you want. You sit here. Then Shiva says, okay, I will stay here for 10,000 years. And one day your son will grow, and then I will be able to see him. Mother Yashoda says, if you sit here for 10,000 years, then I will close the gate for 20,000 years. And I will open a different gate through which my son will go out and play. So she is so stubborn. She does not want her son to see him because he's looking a little scary. And then, being defeated by Yashoda, Lord Shiva thinks, okay, he's disappointed and he leaves that place. He goes to Yamuna. He sits there. And then Krishna, where he knows everything, right? He knows that my devotee had come and he wanted to see me, but he did not get to see me. So he begins to cry. He cries a lot, and nobody knows why Krishna is crying so much. All the gopas and gopis, they try a lot to calm him down, but nothing works. And then one gopi named Lalita, she was a little intelligent one. She asks Mother Yashoda, did someone left the house displeased? Then Mother Yashoda tells all the story. Then Lalita says, okay, if a Brahmana should not go away from, go displeased. So that is the reason why he is crying. So we should go and get him. So Mother Yashoda describes his appearance, and then they all go and find him, and then they get him back to the home, Lord Shiva, and Mother Yashoda gives the baby to Lord Shiva. And then Lord Shiva is carrying, lifting the small baby Krishna in his hands. You can imagine how happy Lord Shiva must be, right? And then he said, O Lord of the universe, O Lord of all, O Supreme Controller, it is very difficult to ascertain how you will act next. It is inconceivable that the Lord, who cannot be seen by meditating for thousands of years, is now acting as the child of a cowherd lady. So see how even Lord Shiva, who is a demigod, he is the best pure devotee like of Krishna, right? Even he was so eager to see Krishna. So this shows how Krishna is all worshipable. He is worshipped by even demigods. He is the supreme. There is another one. Why do we know Lord Krishna is the most worshipable? Just give me just maybe 2-3 minutes I will take because it's already time.
Read that.
So, very interesting. So in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Rupa Goswami says, the schedule in Dwarka, how is it that there is a gatekeeper in front of the room of Lord Krishna, and all the demigods are standing in line to see Krishna. And the gatekeeper is so tensed because everyone wants to see. So he's ordering, he's controlling the demigods. He's saying, oh, Varuna, you are reciting verses very loudly. Recite them in mind, everyone is getting disturbed. And you can imagine all of them are standing there and it's so crowded and he's trying to control everyone. He's asking Indra, why are you so restless? You will get your chance. Just be there, sit properly. Then he's telling Chandra, why you came today? You don't have an appointment today. How you came today? So he's trying to control everyone there. And the gatekeeper again reminds that you should follow the line. So you can see how all the demigods are gathered there to see Lord Krishna outside his room in Dwarka, in his palace. Mukun, you have anything to say?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Do the demigods also have like they have some powers, and obviously one of the powers is that they can see through buildings. So how about they just stay in their own areas up there and they just see through the buildings and take darshan
They
of
want to go, maybe they want to go close to Krishna. And I have not heard that they can see through the building like all of them, but since they are standing, it means that they want to go and close to Krishna and they want to have his darshan, and that's why they're
Mataji,
standing
why
there.
didn't they all just disappear and appear inside the Krishna's palace?
Yes, but then if everyone does that, then you can imagine the situation, right?
Yes, it would
That's
be
why there is a
crazy.
system that everyone will go one by one inside, and there is a gatekeeper there. So this is all mentioned by Rupa Goswami. And even Uddhava says in third canto that even the Brahma is there, and you know that we have a Brahma with four heads, but there is Brahma in different places with different number of heads. So they all are going there. When Brahma goes inside, he sees that they are not just me. They are Brahmas from different places with different number of heads. And Uddhava says when the demigods, they go and bow down to Krishna, when their crown touches the ground, it makes a big loud sound. So you can imagine how many demigods would be there, and they all are coming there to worship Lord Krishna. The moment they bowed their heads, their crowns touch the ground and makes a sound. The sound is very loud and unbearable. When all the crowns bowed and touched the ground, they make such a big sound. It shows among those who are worshipable, the most worshipable is the Supreme Lord Krishna. So this is all about how Lord Krishna is all worshipable by demigods and every living entity. Okay, so I think it's time. Thank you all for listening so patiently.
Are you actually saying that all the gods were there?
Yes,
So,
demigods will line up.
aren't there like 66 million gods?
There are like 33 crores, right?
There's
Yeah.
there's a lot of them.
Of demigods.
So how do they all come inside?
Yes,
I feel like
that's the glory of Lord Krishna, right?
I think the gatekeeper is gonna be
All come to see him. You can imagine you can try to visualize the situation, how it must be. And gatekeeper must be so tensed. He's trying to control.
yeah, you must be so frustrated and tired.
Mataji, it's almost like
Yeah.
they need 100 gatekeeper. 100 gatekeepers.
Yes,
And after those 100 keepers are just going to, it's going to be very difficult, even though there will be
Yes.
100 gatekeepers.
Right. It must be very difficult for
Yeah,
one.
because
Mataji, I wanted to say something.
Yes, Charanamrit.
The gatekeepers were actually Vishnu Dutas.
Here in Dwarka,
Dwarka.
I don't know.
Oh,
about
the gatekeepers.
Dwarka. It's
Oh,
in Dwarka.
I'm talking about the gatekeepers
Jai
from
Vijay.
In Vaikuntha.
from
Jai Vijay.
Jaya and Vijaya.
That is true. Yes.
yes, they were first from
So I
Lord
think it's
Chaitanya's
time.
story from
Okay,
from
you all
the-
are cooking today. I'm sorry, Charanamrit. Okay.
Stop it.
What saying?
Okay, so Jay were for Jaga and Madai.
Yes, very good. Yes.
Yeah.
True. So you have cooking today. It's already late, so I will stop here now. Thank you. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha.
Hare Krishna, bye.
Thank you.
Don't leave, don't leave, don't leave, don't leave.
Mataji,
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Bye.
excuse me, Mataji.
Vrinda Mataji ki jai.
All
From 20 to
Radharani
19.
Mataji, welcome Mataji.
Thank you,
From 22
Mataji.
to
Hare Krishna,
19.
everybody.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
One from 22 to 19.
Mataji.
What are we cooking?
Today we are making one snack item.
Yeah, what are you cooking?
What is it? What is that snack item?
Yeah. It is called actually, I don't know the exact name for that.
Mataji, what do we need? Yeah, what do we need?
Yeah,
So
we
the-
just need 1 cup of all-purpose flour.
1 cup of oil.
Yeah, 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And so I'll just post the
Okay.
ingredients in
Mataji already sent it in the group, in the chat.
the chat. Okay. We just need some ajwain seeds. So they look in this way. You can ask your parents. Okay, they look in this way.
Mataji, can you wait for like 1 minute?
Wait,
Ingredients posted in the chat box. Everybody can check out.
Mataji, can you please do it again because I just joined.
Okay, I can post it again. No worries. Mataji, we can't see. Ah, she posted now. Okay, we can see. Yeah, you joined just now.
yeah, so all the messages from before are deleted. You can't see them.
I joined from another device, from the laptop now. Okay, Mataji.
So you all can see the ingredients, right?
Yes.
So do you want me to repeat those again?
We can see the ingredients.
Okay. So we just need all-purpose flour, 1 cup, and some sugar. It's an optional. If you want, you can add salt, 1 tablespoon, and some ajwain seeds, half tablespoon.
Mataji, what is it?
This is called like
Mataji, did you put the? I missed it. Did you put the all-purpose flour in the bowl?
She didn't start. We didn't start anything.
no, I have not yet started. So we just need very few ingredients in this. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and some water also. Okay.
Mataji, can you repeat all the steps again?
Yeah. All-purpose flour,
How many cups, Mataji?
1 cup.
1 minute.
1 cup all-purpose flour, and half teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon salt, and half tablespoon ajwain seeds. Those are called as carom seeds also. And 3 to 4 tablespoons oil. And one cup. You can just keep 1 cup. We just need little bit water later also. We will be just using 3/4 cup in this, and so whatever water is required, you just keep one cup of water. And if you have some rolling pins, you can bring the rolling pin and rolling pan.
Mataji, so 1 cup flour
and we need like all one tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon salt, and half tablespoon ajwain seeds, and oil, 3 or 4 tablespoons, and some water. If you have pizza cutter or the knife, whatever is available, you can just, at the time, you can take your parents' help if you're not that comfortable.
Mataji, which one is recommendable?
For the knife you're asking?
Yeah.
Mataji, which one works best?
Yeah, if you have pizza cutter, that's fine.
The pizza cutter or the chapati roller? Which one? No, you need both.
Chapati roll we have to need. I'm just giving the optional in pizza cutter or the knife.
Mataji, I missed the starting. What you doing the starting?
Mataji,
I did not get you.
Mataji, is ajwain half tablespoon or half teaspoon, Mataji?
Half tablespoon.
Tablespoon.
Mataji, we have a pizza cutter.
What
It's
Kavya?
Mataji, we have a pizza cutter.
Okay, you can use that. Okay.
Oil, Mataji?
Mataji,
Yeah, oil 3 to 4 tablespoons. Okay. Let's start.
Mataji.
I just took one. Yes.
I saw in your hand there was one Cuisinart knife. Even we have that one. And a
Oh
different
yeah.
color.
Yeah.
We have a set of 3.
Yeah, I also have that color. I just use the small one. Okay, so let's start. Everybody are ready with their ingredients, right?
Yes,
You can
ma'am.
see my
Mataji,
box.
can you give 1 minute?
I just took 1 cup of all-purpose flour in one big bowl, with like mixing bowl you can take.
Okay.
Then in that just add some salt. Okay.
Mataji,
Yes.
if we use these the specific amounts, how much will we get?
We'll get around like 20 to 25 pieces.
Okay.
Even more than that also you might get. Okay. In each one we'll get around 16 or 16 like that. So we'll be making like the dough which we are making, we can make in 4. If you want like more thinner, you can make into 4 pieces. I can show you. Okay. But
Okay.
at the max we'll be getting 40 like that. Okay.
Okay.
So I just took the flour, added salt, and just adding some powder sugar. It is an optional, half teaspoon. Okay. If you want to skip this, you can skip this. Okay. And just taking half tablespoon ajwain seeds, take on your left hand, just crush it little bit with your right hand. Okay. Very little. If it is
Mataji, so you added the flour and salt.
flour, salt, and little powder sugar. Or regular sugar, or if you want to skip that, you can skip that also. And the 4th ingredient is this one. Just little bit crushed it and added in this. Okay. You can take any spoon or anything, just mix this.
Mataji, what is the ingredient?
What are the ingredients you're asking?
The ingredients are in the chat.
No, the ingredient what you're talking. Like the last ingredient.
So this is called carom seeds in ajwain seeds. You can ask your mom, she'll help you out. Okay.
Mataji, Mahir is raising his hand. Maybe, oh, he switched off. He was raising hand. Mahir, you have a doubt? No.
Yep.
Now let's
You ask then.
I think I don't have the ingredients.
You don't
What
see.
you don't have, ask Mataji. She will tell the tip.
You don't want ajwain, you can skip that. If you have cumin seeds, you can add those. Okay.
Okay.
Mataji, how much water should we add, Mataji?
I'll just let you know. Now we are adding oil.
Okay.
We just need 3/4 cup or less than that might be also sufficient. I'll let you know. While mixing, I'll let you know. Okay. Now
Okay.
we are adding the 5th ingredient, the oil. Like you can add. This is small spoon. Actually, we need to add 2 tablespoons. Okay.
We just add everything inside one bowl.
Yeah, inside one bowl and just mix it.
Mataji, I'm
Now
putting
after mixing, after adding oil, just mix it. Okay. You can use your hands. And
Mataji,
now we are.
do we have to use our hands?
Yeah, if you want to use.
You can use like a spoon or something.
No, after adding the water, we'll be making like a chapati dough. So at that time, you'll be using the hand, right? So if you want for the oil, you can use spoon. And when you're adding water, you can use your hand. Okay, now I'm adding the water. Add little by little. See, I just took little water.
Mataji.
Yes.
So how much flour do we need?
1 cup.
1 cup?
Yes. You're just starting now. See, just previously you have done how to mix the chapati dough, right? So in the same way, it should be not too soft nor too thick, okay? Now I might require little more oil, sorry, little more water. I'm just adding little more water. Very little, okay? Just if you want, you can use spoon. And why? Because when you are pouring the water, it might have the more quantity of the water might spill in your bowl. So if you want, you can use spoon or anything, and just with the help of spoon, you can add water in the mixing bowl, okay? If you are not that comfortable.
Mataji.
Yes.
So should we preheat the oven?
Oven, you need to on your saying.
He's
Yeah,
asking
we should
preheat.
preheat it. Yeah, preheat it.
Yeah, we can do it later. I'll let you know.
Okay.
Why? Because after doing this, you need to wait for 15 minutes like that. At that time, you can start your oven. Okay?
Okay. Mataji, is it like this?
Showing.
Dina Krishna Mataji.
Yes, good job, Dina Krishna. Yes, it is like that only.
Mataji, I am making.
You're making? Okay,
Yeah.
Bala Vrunda.
I'm making I'm in the part of cutting the dough. I'm just waiting for you to show that.
Which one?
She already made the chapati dough, Mataji.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, I'll show the cutting. This will be a
very
different
fast today.
cutting. Okay?
Mataji, this is perfect. Is this good, Mataji?
Yes, Prahlad. It's very good. Yes. Once you have done mixing everything. So now, everybody done? Now take 1 spoon of oil and add. Just 1 spoon of oil. కొంచెం. On the top of the dough. And just with your fingers, just apply like this.
Is it so it's not so sticky and
So it will be in this way, okay?
Mataji, is it so it's not so sticky and it doesn't stick to the pan we're using or plate or something?
Yeah, it will be not sticky. See, my bowl, see, it is not at all sticking. It just came like this. It is not
You
at
can
all
like take it
sticking.
out easily and like non will.
Yeah. See, even in my hand, it is not sticking. Just apply little oil at last so that it won't be sticky. Okay. So everybody done till here?
1 minute, Mataji.
Karthik, cutting lo help chedunda. It will be fun. Indeed. Get the tissue. Okay, shall we go for next step? What is the time?
What did you do after you put the oil? What do you do?
Just on the top, little bit, just like half spoon or 1 spoon. If you feel it is little sticky, just you can add oil and just press it like this. Okay. Okay, now we'll go for next step. We just have. So now take your rolling pin. Okay. You can take like this. If you want it is to be too thin, you can make this into 4 pieces, 4 equal parts. Otherwise, you can just make it into 2 equal parts. See, just make it in this way. Use your palm and just roll it in this way. Okay?
Mataji,
Yes.
do we use a rolling pin or our hand?
We'll use rolling pin now. I'm just using the hand to make it equal. Okay? We have to cut in equal parts, right? So, who are too younger, you can take the help of your parents while cutting this. If you are able to do, you can do by yourself. But be careful, okay? I'm just trying to do into 3 pieces. Okay, let's do into 3 pieces, 3 equal parts. Just cut like this and like this. Okay. Till this step, are you able to do?
1 minute, Mataji.
Okay.
Mataji, I'm still rolling it.
Okay, roll it and then it no need to be exact shape. After this, we'll just make this into nice, like a ball. Okay. If it is uneven also, that's fine. I'm just taking each piece and just doing like this, like a ball. When we make sweets, we just do a ball, right? And just roll.
My mom says that when they do laddu, they actually roll it into a ball.
Yeah. And just press little bit. Okay. And the third piece.
Mataji, that's like exactly how we do it when we are going to when we are going to make rotis.
Yes, the same way, even till here, the same process, how we make the roti and everything, okay? Okay, shall we go for next step?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes,
Okay.
Mataji.
Now take 1 piece. Okay. Now take your rolling pin. Keep your knife aside. Take the rolling pin. If you have some base, keep it on that base. Want to roll it?
How?
Okay, I'll show them. Wait, you can do second one. Okay, roll 1 time and then take, just flip it and then roll other side. Okay, fast adjust the time. Okay, try to roll little bit. See, okay.
This cooking is.
For this, you no need to apply any flour or anything. Why this is This is a like all-purpose flour. It will be not that sticky like our chapati flour.
Mataji, what is the oven temperature?
Oven temperature you can keep on like 200 degrees, Mataji.
Mine is not as big as yours. It's not like a chapati. Mine is kind of like a pan.
We can bake for preheat for Mataji. After this, we need to wait for 10 minutes like that. So that it will come
200 is Fahrenheit, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
Mine is not big as yours.
Okay, if it is small, is also fine.
Mataji?
Yes.
Mataji, how much? Mataji, how much?
One at a time, please.
Do we need to put the oven on 180 Celsius?
Actually, we can keep like I have tried with 180 Celsius, but it's not coming. You can keep like 200 like that.
Mataji,
Mataji, Celsius or Fahrenheit?
Mataji, should we put the Fahrenheit 200 or?
Yeah, you can keep on 200.
Okay.
Okay, Mataji.
Karthik. I'm just rolling it. I'll show the shapes. Okay, now how to do this. Okay.
Oven right now.
I put a black basket.
Yeah, if you want, you can on the oven now.
In how many minutes, Mataji?
Once after cutting this, I'll show you. Then you can on it. Okay.
Okay, Mataji.
Why? Because if we wait for 5 minutes after doing this, it will be nice. Okay, 5 to 10 minutes. You should make it and keep it aside. Then it will be nice. Okay, it will be not that soft. You'll get it in a crispy way.
Mataji, do you do all three of them? Or
Sarita to do. Phone back and bettu. Hare Krishna, it is already 7:20. You all ask so many questions, Mataji did not finish it.
Mataji,
Please observe, Mataji, okay?
Mataji.
Okay. Now I'll show the shapes how to do this.
Mataji, you are muted.
Okay. Now the fun part is take the pizza cutter or the knife, whatever you have. Just cut them into half. And the other side, cut them into other half. And like a pizza, how we'll be cutting, just try to cut in that way. Okay.
Eighths? Mataji, into eighths?
Huh?
Like eighths?
Yeah, 8 or 16. We can do like, I'm just doing little more. We have to do thin. You all can see, right, how I'm cutting?
In how many pieces?
We can clearly see that.
Okay. You can make them so thin, like 1, 2, 3, 16 pieces. Okay. Now take
Okay, Mataji.
each piece. See, I'm just taking, you can easily get those. Okay. Just take each piece. And I'm showing in this. Now keep the water beside you and roll in this way. And apply little water on the edge. See, you'll get in this shape, okay? I'll show one more. So take the piece in this way. Karthik, come, let's make this. If you want, you can use this 2 fingers and just roll in this way using with 1 finger. Apply little water and just
Can I roll it?
Yeah.
I need a rolling plate though.
Is this fun?
Yes, Mataji, a lot fun, Mataji, for kids. They will not get up from there for 1 hour. Vrinda will not get up from there for 1 hour.
Yeah,
Thank
I
you,
just
Mataji.
usually will make in like diamond or rectangle shape, right? So I thought this might be little fun for them.
Yeah, Mataji. The same thing we usually fry in the oil, but you are telling in the oven. That's good.
Yeah, oven. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Mataji. Very nice.
Mataji, fun for us also, more than for kids.
Easy. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you so much.
Mataji, fun for us, work for us. Treat for kids. Yeah, treat. Now here both of them are arguing. You cut in this shape, you cut in that shape, you made a mistake, this, that.
Mataji,
Yeah.
right now I am I'm doing the rolling. So I'm putting in the baking tray pan. How much space should there be between each?
Yeah, I'll show you. So now just apply little oil. Just this is the bake tray. Okay, you do here. Just take any oil, brush or anything. Just apply little. If you have wax paper, you can just use butter paper. So this, if you have like this, whoever don't have, I'm just showing how to apply oil. Just take some brush or just take oil. And
also apply ghee.
yeah, you can use your hand also. Just apply
Wait,
little.
Mataji, can you put like butter paper or something on it?
Yes, you can keep butter paper. Whoever don't have butter paper, I'm just showing them. Okay, just keep anything close is also fine. See, in this way we can keep.
Mataji,
Yeah, you do. I'll just keep yours.
Mataji, why is it two of the same people?
Two of?
There's two of the same people with this white profile picture. Their name is IRP.
I can't hear you. Can you talk a little louder?
There's this person that joined 2 times. And their name is IRP and then some symbol. And with the white profile picture blank.
Hey.
Yeah, it does say IRP.
Okay, in the names. Just watch and wait. We don't have much time, Karthik.
But they're not joined twice.
Okay, that's fine. They might join from the 2 devices. See, this distance is fine. If you keep closer is also fine. So you can keep in.
Is it okay? I'm still rolling.
So you can keep in this way. Little closer is also fine. That's.
Is it okay? I'm still rolling.
Yeah, yeah. I'm just showing whoever have done and want to place it. Why? Because little closer.
I have no idea who is
Mataji, can I use the other 2 rolls for tomorrow or should I use them today?
Yeah, you can do it whenever you want. That's fine. And later you can apply little oil on the top.
It's ended. Wait, what? The tab just closed.
Mataji, it's already 8:26 and
You'll be getting in this way, okay? After baking, you'll get in this way.
8:27.
See this way.
So it's like rolled chips.
Yeah.
I guess.
It will be so crispy.
Samsung is going to like it.
Mataji, I got a cool
In
idea.
middle, it will be little soft and side, it will be crispy. See, in this way it will be.
Mataji, I got a cool idea. You can add some cinnamon.
What if you had something?
Yeah, that's what. Later on this, if you want, you can add little chaat masala and some salt and mix it. It will taste nice, very nice. After once it is baked, just add little chaat masala. If you are fine with chili powder, you can add those.
It'd be cool if you put like cheese inside, like when before you're rolling.
Yeah, just add little bit.
Mataji,
Yeah.
is this okay?
Oh yeah, very nice, Moksh.
Thank you.
Nice, it's very nice. Wait.
Balaji, Dina Krishna is showing.
Good job, Dina Krishna. Very nice.
There we go. It's a lot to bake.
Mataji, I didn't bake mine yet.
Yeah, it will take time now. After this, you can wait for 5 minutes. Now you can on your oven. Why? Because after mixing dough, we need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. That time we did not wait, right? So now we can wait for 5 to 10 minutes till our oven is preheated. So then you can add everything.
Mataji, right after Vrinda Mataji's class was over, everybody was like, who didn't know that there was cooking class, everybody was like, yay, class is over. And then
Yeah, I was saying that it went from 22 people to 19 people.
and now 19 to 15.
19 to
Mataji,
Hare Krishna kids, it's already 7:29. I think Mataji has guided us very nicely. We can close the cards. Please
Thank you so much, Mataji. I have all the ingredients so I can make this often.
Yeah, you can make it.
Mataji, how many minutes to bake it, Mataji?
Mataji, how much time do we have?
Like it will take like 20 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes, Mataji. In middle, you can mix once. Parents can help them. Why? Because only like bottom will be done. So once you mix here and there, like just like with any spatula or anything. Like if the time is not exactly, then you can see her till the golden brown like that, Mataji. At the max 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, Mataji.
Mm.
So, kids, if you're all okay, we'll close the call here. Okay, next class time is going to happen.
Yeah. If you
Mantra
all have
Bhagavad
done, you can
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Everybody are doing very nicely. I'm so happy. You can post
All
your
kids are
pictures.
doing Mataji.
Yes.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Thank
Krishna,
you. Thank you,
closing the
Vinita
call at
Mataji.
4 p.m.